Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to use your refrigerator's ice and water dispenser. If this is your first time using the dispenser or if the refrigerator has not been used for a long period of time, ice and water dispensed may contain particles or odors from the water supply line or the water tank. To rectify this, it is a good idea to flush 2.5 gallons of water and throw away the first full bin of ice. To flush, place a container under dispenser. Press and release dispenser pad by intervals of 30 seconds on and 60 seconds off until 2.5 gallons get flushed. This should take you around 5 minutes. Next, we recommend you throw away the first full bin of ice. To access the ice cubes, lift the ice bin up with both hands and pull it out. Then, dispose of all the ice in the kitchen sink. After which, reinsert the ice bin into place. Carefully reinsert the ice bin by slanting the top slightly to fit it under the ice maker and push it in. Wait for the ice to form and you are all set to enjoy refreshing ice and water. Make sure both doors are closed as the dispenser will not operate while a door is opened. How to use the dispenser control panel. The dispenser control panel is a breeze to operate. The left button releases ice cubes, the middle one water and the right button crushed ice. Select by simply pressing the respective icon button. Then press the glass or container against the dispenser paddle to get refreshing water or ice. How to clean the dispenser. Water and ice dispenser area may easily get dirty. It is recommended to clean it frequently. Using a clean soft cloth, wipe the water and ice spout thoroughly. Next, clean the dispenser tray as it gets wet easily because of water and ice spills. How to use the self-care function. The dispenser also features a UV light at the water spout designed to kill bacteria. The UV clean function runs automatically every hour for 10 minutes. It can also be activated manually at any time. Simply access panel control inside refrigerator. Press and hold the freezer/self-care button for 3 seconds to activate the UV clean function. How to lock the dispenser. If you need to lock the dispenser to prevent children from playing with it, press and hold the lock button on the control panel for 3 seconds. This will lock both the dispenser and all of the control panel functions until you unlock it back. To unlock them, simply press and hold the lock button once again for 3 seconds. And that's it. Using the ice and water dispenser on your LG refrigerator is simpler than ever. Thank you for using LG refrigerators.